Hello learners. In the previous video we learnt about promises in JavaScript, in which we have gone through the concept of .then and .catch. Today, in this video we will learn the concept of async and await. Async await is considered one of the complex but important topic of JavaScript. By the end of this video you will never face any difficulties in async and await. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. Before getting directly into the topic, let me first recap the concept of promises, which we have learnt in the previous video. This is a general way of writing promise, in which we create an object of promise. Within this promise we have taken a Boolean variable status. When the status is true, then the promise will get resolved, else the promise will get rejected. Now next we will write .then to fetch the value returned from the promise and use it for execution. When the value of status is true, the promise returns resolved. Whereas, when the value of status is false, the promise returns rejected. In the previous video, we have seen only a single way to write promises, and that was creating a promise object. In this video we will learn to write promises using functions. Writing promises using functions has a bit of advantage as it makes the promise code reusable. By using this way of writing promise, we can pass values to the promise within parentheses. Functional promise is ready. This time we need to pass a value while calling the promise. And there we go. It works completely fine. On passing true value it returns promise resolved. Whereas, on passing false value it returns promise rejected. Now it's time to understand async await. We use async await as a better replacement of .then and .catch. Async await is a cleaner way to work with promises and it is better than .then. It makes asynchronous code behave like synchronous, step-by-step code. Await is used inside an async function to wait for a promise to resolve. Let's see a quick demonstration to better understand the syntax of async await. We have created an async function getResult, within which we have created a result variable in which we are storing the value returned by promise. We are using await in order to wait for the promise to either return resolve or rejected so that the script gets executed further. In other words, you can say await is waiting for the promise to return any value. Finally, we need to call the async function getResult, and boom! The code works fine. But here comes a catch. On passing false value to the promise it returns an error. Here we need to handle this error. And thus, comes a new concept of error handling. Error handling means writing code to catch and respond to errors so your program doesn't crash when something goes wrong. We use try-catch block in order to handle the error. We will go through this topic deeply in the next video. Till then let's see a quick demonstration of it. Now we will insert our code within the try block saying it to first try, whether it gets executed or not. If not, then catch the error and using catch block. We will handle the error and perform whatever we need to do if something goes wrong.
In this case, we will simply print the error saying some error occurred.
That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.